involved in research funded by the National Science Foundation and by the Milwaukee Metropolitan Sewers District. We have done a major project for the MMSD that was completed in 2007 about stormwater runoff. As you know, stormwater is what happens when it rains. So the stormwater is runoff from the streets and the agricultural fields, and it's not clean. You know, you have this fertilizers from agricultural fields and homes, residences, lawns. There are a number of metals that are carried with the runoff, such as lead and zinc and cadmium and nickel and chrome. And they come from a variety of sources. So one of them is from auto exhaust or from tire wear and oil gaskets and a number of sources that are related to automobile traffic, but also industrial processes. And so what we did is to develop models for stormwater runoff, the loads, that's sort of the pounds per week or pounds per day, and also the concentrations. And we wanted to give them some advice on how to minimize the impact. There are, along the Milwaukee River and the Menominee River and the Kinnickinnic River, several sampling stations so that we can follow the water quality in the rivers. We're doing sort of a computer study, mostly, as opposed to a wet lab. We have all the data from MMSD. We are running them through some computer models, quantifying the amount of phosphorus that comes down the runoff in the rivers and treatment plants. We can online monitor things like nitrogen and phosphorus and some pesticides and take action if we have a sudden increase that could sort of create a problem. So we can save industry money, and we can allow them to run the processes optimally while at the same time protecting the environment.